interesting phenomenon. Yeah, now you know everything about candle pattern. Quiet moment, it's a psychology of the trading. Yeah, one more great deals that closed in the black, and you need to do that always if you want to be the best at this field. Hi my dears, I'm Rachel and now you're watching my YouTube channel. Right here I find review the most interesting and most profitable strategies for trading on binary options. I use it almost every day for myself, so I'm sure that this video will be useful for you.
Also, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram open group where I share not only my trading results but my followers' results too. Besides, I post the actual news about trading that can affect your trading, and moreover, I share my trader lifestyle. Also, I have private club of traders where I share trade signals with my followers, and the accuracy of my signals are more than 75%. And if you want to open trade with signals and to make money together with me, so please contact me in Telegram and I will respond with pleasure. Almost daily I get a positive feedback from my traders from my VP chat, and I'm really excited to see the positive results because this is my main motivation to continue my blog. So please give the video a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe to the channel, it will be my pleasure, and you contact me via the link in pinned comment or via the link in the description of this video.
And guys, please don't forget to click a like, give the video a thumbs up and write comments, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel because your support is a really good motivation to continue my blog, my trading process, and to make a really good content for you. And all of the main links you'll find in the description below the video, and let's finally go to the trading. So let's start the trading. I already picked out the currency pairs. We trade as usual in 1 minute time frame. And we'll start with balance $150. There are OTC currency pairs, so it means that it's a big payout percentage of each deal. And today I want to trade with the use of my lovely strategy. And here is the next selection of indicators. It's Bollinger Bands. Period 13, deviation 2. We change the width a little to focus on that more clearly in trading. Yeah. Next, we add fractal, and next there are two oscillators. First one is RSI with a period of 5, and the second one is RSI 2, but only with a period of 10. So let's change a little. Yeah, okay, it's okay. Our strategy is picked. In general, with this strategy, you can open while flat and with the trend too, uptrend, downtrend, whatever. It's a versatile strategy, so I recommend it for everyone to use. Okay, let's have a look quickly. Let's select the workspace and we'll explain you the principle of trading. These are the main signals of touching of lower or upper moving average of channel. That is, we can watching for this pattern dynamic when there is uptrend. For example, in this case, the touching of upper boundary is happening. So we open the deal to lower, and the same when there is a touching of lower boundary, we open the deal to raise. I mean, upper, we open the deal to lower, and while the touching of lower boundary is to raise. This pattern is everywhere while trading with these indicators, so you can watch that yourself. And both areas helps us here, yeah, two oscillators, and we will focus on exits from oversold area or overbought area. It depends on what the dynamic is, and that's it. These signals from oscillators and Bollinger Bands absolutely go together. I mean, when there is an exit from oversold area and the touching of lower boundary of the channel, yeah. So it's double signal for absolutely confident trading, and searching the reliable signal is a really perfect strategy. And fractal also local highs and local lows to focus on to see price pullbacks. So everything is clear here, nothing difficult, and during my trading you will know how to use this strategy correctly, and we can finally start the trading. Let's open the deal to raise the price here. Let's select the workspace for my explanation now. We need to place of the movement, and yeah, let's select the workspace. We watch that the intersection of lower boundary of the channel is happening and local lows updating to fractal, and we see that there is an exit from oversold area on both RSI, on both oscillators, so we don't think about anything and open the deal to raise because we see that it's uptrend and it goes with ascending dynamic, and we additionally open the deal with the trend. It increases the accuracy of our signal, and that's why there is much more possibility to close the deal in the plus and to fix the profit. And now it's the last seconds of our deal. And it's closed in the black, nothing difficult, absolutely correct opening. And one more thing about OTC and trading. I want to say that it's better to open the deals with the trend, and please take into account that you must open with a trend. Find some little pullbacks, yeah, don't look at support areas and don't try to open deals into correction, please. It's incorrect policy of trading for beginners, and always try to open deals with a trend. Okay? It's incorrect policy. I repeat this. Look for some indicators, of course, that show you, and you use indicators that can show you that pullbacks of the price. And I believe you will succeed anyway. Sometime I guarantee that. So this way we successfully closed the deal in the black, and we opened with the trend, and there is a dynamic, and you see where it is going, yeah. So let's pick the next currency pair and continue the analysis and pick out the next trade entry. Let's open the deal to raise the price too. The next growth in the new minute must happen, I think. And in general, we opened with appearance of new candle. Not a bad dynamic. Yeah, let's select the workspace. Here is the same. We're only opening against the trend, but as said at the beginning of the video, this strategy is used for trading as for trend and against the trend. Yeah, and if you have any imagination of working with these indicators and oscillators, for sure, we see the exit to RSI and renewal local low and the touching of the lower boundary of the channel. So the dynamic really must go up next. Is the last seconds of the end of a deal, yeah, and let's wait a little and watch for the result now. What we expect for. And one more positive close deal, my dears. We already opened the deal against the trend there, and as you see, it's closed in the black again. Let's open the deal to raise the price again. Let's select the workspace right away. It's absolutely the same, the exit from oversold area, and the same. Oscillators show the movement up, and we see the renewal to fractal and the touching of the lower boundary of the channel, exactly moving average of channel, yeah. And we finally open with a trend. After renewal of price low, the tendency from descending turns into ascending one. Yeah, local low and local high updating now to zero levels more. This is why we can make a conclusion that uptrend prevails here. So this is a little bit of analysis from me. It's how to understand the changes of trend and how to understand at all the trading, the whole trading, yeah. This is one more positive close deal, my friends. It's clear. Nothing complicated, guys. And yeah. And how to understand even the changes of the trend. Yeah, as I said, we have seen a renewal of price global low, and we see that it was the most descending point. And these two candles speak of the engulfing pattern. Yeah, candle pattern, it's called like this. So it means that the next candle, there was red one, yeah, there is a negative one, then there is a perfect appearance of new one, and we see that the body of new candle is bigger than the body of red candle. And yeah, it means that the trend will be changing, and most of 80% cases they fall. We see that dynamic of the movement goes up. So such an interesting phenomenon, yeah. Now you know everything about candle pattern, and we go on and pick out the next currency pair and next trade entry. Let's open the deal to lower here. It's uptrend a little, and I see flat dynamics too. Let's select the workspace. We see that there is no accurate dynamic of the movement at all, and we open the deal to lower anyway, and we see the touching of the lower boundary of the channel and the renewal to fractal local high, and we see the exit from oversold area from our oscillators and reside. That's why we get it and follow the rules and open the deal as indicators say. So you see the result. We opened the deal with flat dynamics, and if to argue that dynamic of the movement goes up, we opened into correction again. That is more risky, but not for this strategy. We closed the deal in a plus again and approved you once again, and you can do that often, but there is a moment, such a quiet moment. It's a psychology of the trading, yeah. Very necessary thing because you shouldn't play a lot and to feel like you're a super trader too much. It's really too much. And to imagine yourself a super analytical trader that understands everything. So clear mind and honest heart is the main tool for trading because emotion can lead you to losses. Please think about this, okay? You don't have to play so much. You need to perceive that with cool head. You have to analyze the movements. For example, if you have any unlucky trades, yeah, in a row, so you need to stop and to turn to verbal analysis and to analyze why you failed, and you need to do that always if you want to be the best at this field. So yeah, let's continue the trading and pick the next currency pair. Let's open the deal to raise the price here. Look now, it's a little bit different entry, and this is really interesting. And yeah, let's select the workspace, and here is uptrend and a double correction. Double pullback of the price, yeah. And besides, it's really great to catch the moment because we saw the exit from our sold area and we can wait for price rebound. And it was the same, yeah. It was where is that? It was like that, yeah. And the dynamic of the movement goes up because the exit happened and touching happened of the lower moving average to Bollinger Bands, and the renewal to fractal was there. That's why we're gonna expect for the exit up, and you see that picture that reveals here by itself perfectly. It's the last seconds of the deal, and it's closed in black again, so nothing difficult, as I said always. I remind you once again that I give signals with the work of these indicators, oscillators too, so it's really cool. I demonstrate you now, so you can open either to lower or to raise. And yeah, let's talk more action and I will continue the trading and maybe we'll pick out some interesting trade entry. Let's open the deal to lower. It's pretty awesome entry. Opening the deal is happening to lower ahead of the curve. Wow, I see the dynamic and I see that it's strong pullback of the price. Even the dynamic has more downward trend out, and I see that overbought area was intersected. So I'm gonna wait for the exit and the renewal local high, and the dynamic of the movement will go down. The deal is open a little ahead of the curve. Why do I say that? Yeah, like this way, because the intersection has just been happening and we have already opened the deal before that. So it comes with experience. When you are good at this, when you see the dynamic of the movement, and a little practice is required for that, and you can do that with confidence. And yeah, one more deal is closed in the black already. Great amount on my balance. And yeah, let's open final $2,000 deals to fix the result, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, so let's talk and more action. Let's pick out the next currency pair and continue the trading. Let's open the deals to raise the price here, my friends. Look, we open deals against the trend once again, so it's downtrend, and we open it into pullback of the price. So we should select our points of touching of support area that was before, and there was a break of the level and the touching of lower moving average of channel and renewal to fractal, and the rates of oscillators also show the exit from oversold area. Therefore, we open deals to raise the price. Yeah. It's about 15 seconds till the end of the deals. Oversold areas have been already intersected, and actually I wanted to catch this pullback. It's the last seconds till the end of the deal, and one more great deals that closed in the black. So this is the trading. Literally for 15-20 minutes we have made a perfect profit, guys. And really, please tell me, who will be opening the deal here? There is no support area, and in the new place of the moon we see a strong downtrend, and here you see what the picture is, and we see that dynamic goes down, and who's gonna open the deals here? It's strange. Yeah, I guess for beginners it's risky enough, but we open it right. Yeah, and we could even do that here in 2 minutes, and we would close it in a black anyway. So this is a versatile strategy on the review. And as you see, it works well on OTC trading. I mean, the trading on weekends when quotes are happening inside the broker, exactly Quotex broker, yeah. So yeah, this is the full strategy. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up. The link to platform you'll find in the description below the video. Pick out these indicators and just trade, guys. It's not so hard as you might think.